If you're an entrepreneur, one of the biggest questions you'll ever ask is when, when is that perfect moment to launch? Get it wrong, and you're just shouting into the void. But get it right, and you can ride a massive, massive wave of demand. Today, we're going to zero in on one of the biggest waves in Australian e-commerce.
So let's just ask it straight up. If you're planning a new venture down under, when's the prime time to go live? Is it, I don't know, the start of the financial year, middle of winter? The answer, well, it probably isn't what you'd expect.
Turns out, the answer is this very specific, really intense 3-month window. It's a period that some sellers genuinely call a gold rush. And we're not talking about a small bump in sales here. This is a seasonal surge that can literally make or break an entire year for a new business. We are talking about the Australian summer surge, which runs from December all the way through February. And look, this isn't just about the Christmas rush. It's something pretty unique. It's this convergence of multiple major retail events all happening back to back, creating this incredible, sustained period of buyer demand. So what makes this period so incredibly powerful is how all these things stack on top of each other. I mean, it kicks off with a huge engine of Christmas gift buying. Then, before that even has a chance to cool down, boom, you've got the Boxing Day sales frenzy. But it doesn't stop there. The long school holidays mean families are traveling, they're buying gear for the beach, for camping, for weeks on end. And that momentum just carries right through Australia Day and into that post-New Year's shopping period, where people are cashing in gift cards and starting new fitness kicks. It is, no joke, a perfect storm for sellers. All right, so we've got the why locked down. We know this window is huge. So now let's get practical and move on to the what. What kind of products actually do well during this surge? We're going to look at 3 really concrete, proven ideas that are just perfectly aligned with all that seasonal demand. Okay, so here's a quick look at our 3 contenders: the quick dry towel, compression packing cubes, and portable resistance bands. As you can see, they all totally nail the seasonal fit. They have different kinds of buyer validation, and of course, they each come with their own unique inventory challenges. So let's break down our first example, the quick dry towel. First up, and this one's probably the best overall seasonal pick in my opinion, the quick dry travel towel. Now I know it sounds simple, but its alignment with Australian summer culture is just about perfect. So here's why this works so well. This isn't some niche gadget, it's an absolute summer essential. And check out the ways you can make it your own. We're not just selling a towel, we're talking about features like sand resistance, compact little pouches, even using materials made from recycled plastics. These are things that create real value. Plus, with the price point around $36, it's a super easy purchase, whether it's for a gift or just for yourself before a trip. And this is the power of a great product in action. This is not a paid ad, it's a real customer on Trustpilot talking about a towel they bought 10 years ago that's still going strong. I mean, wow. When a customer is praising durability, quick drying, and the fact that sand just falls right off, that's the kind of powerful social proof you can build an entire brand on. But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows, right? This category is competitive, so you can't just throw up a generic product and expect to win. Success really depends on great branding and amazing photos. And you have to be super careful with your inventory. Things like personalization can cause shipping delays, and popular colors can sell out right when demand is hitting its peak. Okay, idea number 2. This is the perfect companion for anyone taking advantage of those long summer holidays: compression packing cubes, an absolute travel hack. And the logic here is super straightforward. When people travel, they need to get organized. The really smart play with this category is that it's already been validated by others. You can piggyback on the credibility of well-known brands like Antler and review sites like Packhacker. You're not trying to create a whole new habit. You're just selling a better solution to a problem people already have. Plus, the potential for bundles, with towels, with bags, you name it, is just huge. So what's the catch? Well, the big one is that the market is absolutely flooded with cheap, low-quality options. To stand out, you have to differentiate on quality. We're talking durable materials and, crucially, zippers that don't break after one trip. You also need to manage your inventory really carefully, because different colors and set sizes can sell out at totally different rates. And for our third and final idea, we're tapping right into that classic new year, new me energy. Let's talk about portable resistance bands. Now, this one's a winner because it solves a very real problem. During the summer holidays, people want to stay fit, but they might not be near a gym. These are compact, easy to pack, perfect for a quick workout at home or in a hotel. A key selling point here is just being clear. When you highlight specific details like natural latex and the different resistance levels, you build buyer confidence. And the best part? The demand doesn't just die in January. It often stretches right into February as people get serious about their new routines. Now, for the cautions on this one, it comes with an important safety note. Some people have latex allergies, so your listing absolutely must include a clear warning. And just like our other products, popularity is a bit of a double-edged sword. The best-selling sets can go out of stock fast, so you need tight inventory control. Seriously, running out of stock in mid-January is like leaving a mountain of cash on the table.
So we've got the why and we've got the what. Let's finish up with the most important part of the puzzle, the how. This isn't just theory. This is a concrete, actionable blueprint you can use to get ready for the 2026 summer surge.
Here it is, a 5-step plan. First, you start your research now and lock in suppliers before October. Second, build your listings with amazing photos and copy way ahead of time. Third, plan your ad budgets for both December and January to catch that second wave of shoppers. Fourth, you've got to nail your inventory forecasting. And finally, after the season's over, analyze everything so you can come back even stronger the next year. This is how you build a real business, not just some one-hit wonder. And here's what that looks like on a timeline. The key takeaway? The work starts now. From today through October, that's your window for research and sourcing. November is all about getting your listings and ad campaigns ready to fire. Then, from December to February, you're live, you're selling and managing the whole thing. And in March, you debrief and start planning your world domination for 2027. The clock is definitely ticking. So look, the bottom line is this. The opportunity is crystal clear. The products are proven, and the plan is laid out right here in front of you. The Australian Summer Surge is an annual event. It's something you can literally set your watch to. The only question left is, will you be ready to ride the wave?